Welcome to our channel King Shirts Official. We are going to present our new articles and from low range to high range, and we are getting so many demands for the English videos and from customers. That's why we are creating this video in English, and we are also our videos is available in Hindi also. So we are present our new starting range, low range to high range. We are going to start our starting range. That's like 105 rupees. You can see 105 rupees, 8 colors available, ML XL size available. That's a two-way lycra.
So what's about fabric and all things?
That's a two-way lycra. You can also see the stitching and the cloth and the firma also. You can also see this.
Okay.
That's a two-way lycra. 8 colors available, ML XL size available.
And what is the size of this shirt?
L size, sir.
Okay.
That's a L size. 28, 29, 30 ML XL length will become, and 19, 20, 21 your chest will become in wholesale.
Okay.
And I am also this article is also available in full sleeves also 115 rupees. That's a
115.
half sleeves. That's 105 rupees. And 115 in full sleeves.
Okay. So how many colors do I provide in this design?
8 colors, sir.
8 colors.
Yeah.
Okay. And there are any kind of choice in this article?
No, minimum 24 pieces you have to take, ML XL size and 8 colors, 8 into 3. And wholesale you have to take minimum 24 pieces in this article.
Okay.
Yeah, this like 115 rupees. Full
Okay. So
sleeves,
this is a 115 shirt.
115 rupees
115.
shirts. That's available.
Okay.
115 rupees.
Superb.
Yeah. And after that, I will show you surgery article in that article in low range.
Okay.
See, that's a surgery in half sleeves.
Surgery creation. Okay.
Yeah, surgery creation in low range, two-way lycra. ML XL size is available. You can see that. Let's see the stitching and the cloth and the perfect combination which we make.
Okay.
Yeah, that's our King's brand also.
King's plan. Okay.
Yeah, in half sleeves, that's a 120 rupees available and 130 full sleeves available.
Full sleeve available.
Yeah.
Okay.
After that, I will show you surgery mode. See, that's a multicolor surgery. You can see
Okay.
the 4 color panel we create in this article. That's a two-way lycra also, but in 4 color panel we make this article. Half sleeves 130 and full sleeves 140. ML XL size will be there, and 18 colors will be available in this article.
18 colors.
18 colors will be
Wow.
available. Yeah.
Superb.
After that, I will show you another article. See, in CK, you can also read it. CK is also demanded in market also. Customers were demanding CK so much, that's why we create this.
And can you please tell me what is this, sir?
That's a print, sir. We are providing print here
Okay.
and two-way panel, sir.
Okay.
Surgery article, that's also 130 rupees ML XL size available. Yeah. After that, I will show you 4-way lycra. Satin 4-way lycra. You can see ML XL size available. 12 colors available.
The fabric is shining. Oh.
Yeah, that's a satin lycra, sir. 4-way lycra satin.
Okay. Can you please taste this shirt
See,
so our customer can see properly?
yeah, that's a 4-way. I will show you in 4-way also.
Guys, you can see this is a 4-way lycra shirts. King shirts provided in 155 rate.
Only 155 rupees.
Okay.
4-way lycra satin available. After that, I will show you checks shirts, sir.
Okay.
You can see checks. That's indigo checks, semi-indigo checks. No one
Semi-indigo.
can provide this article in whole market. No one can provide this rate also
Okay.
in semi-indigo. You can also see that. So many articles available and so many designs are available in this range. 150 rupees checks. And after that, I will show you double pocket, double flap, same cloth in 170 rupees. That's
170
a
only.
Yeah. That's a 150 rupees, and I will show you 170 rupees.
Okay.
And surgery and the funky also available in checks,
Mhm.
which I showed you. See,
Wow.
that's a surgery.
So we are providing in 170
And 170 double pocket, double flap. You can
okay.
see
Okay.
many more colors available and many
Double
more
fold.
designs available in this article.
So you are providing 170 cargo,
170 only.
cargo pattern.
Yeah, that's a double pocket, double flap cargo pattern in 170 only, and 200 rupees. Funky article available.
article.
Cargo funky available.
Okay.
You can see the different cloth and different pocket, alternate pockets and alternate printing available in this article.
Okay.
Many more articles I have and more colors I have. You can see also in our catalog. You just have to send hi on our number which showed in screen, and we are providing the best and wholesale rate in our WhatsApp catalog also.
Okay.
You have to just send me hi on this number which showed in the screen, and you will get the articles and catalog also.
Okay.
See, that's a digital prints.
This is
Stripe.
for a wedding collection.
Yeah, that's a digital print. That's a running 12 months available. 12 months running this article.
Okay.
Yeah. See, that's a two-way lycra in heavy. You can see
Wow.
it's digital prints. Many more articles are here, and ML XL size will be available in this article. You can see.
Wow.
You can see the color, Florence. You can see the stitching perfect, and the firma also available in best rate. No one can give this article and give this rate in whole market because we are manufacturer and we are making our own brand. You can also see King shirts.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. See, this is all 210 rupees and half sleeves if you want in that article 180 rupees only.
Okay.
Yeah.
Half sleeve and full sleeve both you are providing.
Yeah. Half sleeves and full sleeves both we are providing. And after that we have some winter collection also. You can also see our video in the YouTube also by King Shirts official in Hindi language available, and you can see regular updates which we can make. And we are providing this article due to demand for the customers because of the winter. That's why we create this. That's a RFD shirt. You can see
Yeah.
surgery article in RFD.
I'm also feeling this.
Yeah, you
fabric.
can see the clothes, sir. That's
Yeah.
RFD clothes. That's a thick cloth which come. It's all based
This is
on
only
the
for
cotton.
winter collection.
Yeah, that's only for winter collection. Many more colors are here. You can see. ML XL size available. Back print also available in this
Okay,
article.
back print also good.
Yeah, back print also available.
So you haven't tell me about this price and all the things.
Yeah, that's a 280 rupees only.
280.
Yeah, RFD surgery
So
shirts, sir.
we are providing 3 combination
Yeah,
with
three
screening and
combination
back
screening
print
and
also.
back print also. And ML XL size available. 12 colors, 36 piece one set in wholesale and 280 rupees only.
So there are any choice in this article? Color
You
choice?
can choose, yeah, you can choose minimum 6 colors, sir.
6 colors.
Yeah, 6 colors you have minimum you have to choice, sir, if you want. After that we are providing this RFD checks. In winter there's so much demand. Customers
Okay,
also
double
want
pocket,
demand.
double flap.
Double pocket, double flap with screening.
Okay.
You can also see. See here. Double pocket, double flap. Lacoste print also available.
Wow.
Yeah. Only 320 rupees. RFD checks available. Many more colors, 6 colors and ML XL size will be there. You have to take minimum 3 colors and 6 colors, and if you want more colors then you will also take in wholesale. And minimum if you take it, if I have 18 colors, you have to minimum take 6 colors.
Okay.
Yeah, in 6 you have to 3 minimum take, and 12 you have to take minimum take 6.
Okay.
Yeah. See, that's a denim lycra. That's a new cloth and new fabric and new creation. No one.
Can you please describe more about this fabric?
That's a denim, sir. Denim were that's customers were demanding in winter denim
Okay.
so much. So after that, the marriage season is running good. So we are making this denim plus flocking.
Flocking.
Yeah, customer can wear this also in marriage and also for the winter for the cover the body. Yeah, that's a winter collection.
Wow.
You see,
Super.
proper denim
Proper denim.
based on the cotton. ML XL size 300 rupees only.
300 rupees. Okay.
After that, that's RFD jackets. You can
Wow.
also see, which is the button, touch button. You can see
Yeah.
double pocket, double flap. Many more creations I have in this article. We'll show you the colors. ML XL size. You can see. No back print available.
Okay. This
Only
is a plain
basic.
article.
Yeah, only basic.
Okay.
We'll show you different article which I will show you the back print also and the funky one.
Okay.
You
So
can
fabric will be same and
Yeah,
there
fabric
are
will be
some.
same. Some little bit
Okay.
different patterns will become, sir. See, back print.
Wow. Super.
ML XL size available. Price only 340 rupees.
Okay.
Yeah, back print also available there. You can also see the colors.
Wow. Good collection. Good color combination.
Yeah, many more designs I have. I'll show you.
So this is another design.
Yeah, that's another different design.
Wow.
Many more colors. Customers have to take minimum 6 colors, 8 colors if they want. But I have 12 colors minimum in this article. See.
Perfect. So what's about our payment condition?
We are dealing in COD also and advance payment. No credit system is available in our firm. Only COD available. In COD 50% you have to pay earlier advance and 50% remain you have to pay when parcel will be reached.
Okay.
And advance payment also there. See, that's a lycra fabric.
Lycra fabric.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's a lycra in jacket with the cap pattern.
Wow.
See here some funky stitching.
Funky pattern.
Yeah, funky.
Yeah.
And the back print also.
And cap.
You can see. Yeah, with the cap pattern. You can see the colors.
Wow. Perfect. If anyone wear plain t-shirt and
Yeah, they can also wear, and after that, if they anyone will wear the t-shirt. After that, they and the upper they have to wear if they want to wear. See, that also lycra.
this is also lycra.
Yeah, that's also lycra. ML XL
Lycra
size.
jacket.
Yeah, ML XL size will be there. You can see the colors.
Wow. Perfect.
Yeah. See, that's also available in satin lycra.
Satin
That's the
lycra.
some tone patterns we have to give. That's some print and touch button, and after that
There
we
are
print
some kind
also.
of.
Yeah, we also print in the back.
Okay.
That's a satin lycra jacket. You can also see.
Wow.
ML XL size will be there. 380 rupees only.
380.
Yeah, 380 only.
Perfect.
See, it's a RFD jacket with the cover with the cotton cloth of the hosiery. You can see cap also available there. ML XL size will be there.
Mm-hmm.
See, 3 colors are there. You can see.
Perfect.
See. In jackets we have many more collection because of the winter.
Because of winter.
Yeah,
Okay.
customers were demanding so much in jackets and the RFD jackets and RFD shirts also. That's why we are creating this video for the customers' demand.
Okay.
You can also see it's a new article. Like no one can give this article, but we are making because we are a proper manufacturer. That's why we are creating this articles because of the customers' demands and the customers' needs.
Mm-hmm.
ML XL size only 380. Back print not available.
Not available.
Yeah. After that I have denim,
Okay. Denim
which
jacket.
was hotcake in because of the winter and the marriage season.
Today's purpose of video is the winter jacket.
Yeah,
and winter
mostly we
collection.
are creating this video for the winter collection because customers were demanding, and
Okay.
we are also providing this video in English because customers were demanding for the English. Some customers in South, they are not available. They also not understand in Hindi. That's why we are creating this video in English.
Okay.
You can see. It's a denim jacket. ML XL size will be there.
Mm.
That's a 480 rupees only.
480.
Yeah. And see this.
Wow. Perfect.
That's 380 only.
380.
380.
Wow. Perfect.
Yeah, 3 colors are there. ML XL size. Back print also available.
Perfect.
That's it.
So there are another question.
Yeah.
If any new customer is contacting you, so
Yeah.
how will you provide them new
The
collection?
number is shown in the screen.
Okay.
There's just customers. You have to send just hi on the WhatsApp. We are providing you catalog with the best rate and the wholesale rate. You have just send hi on our WhatsApp number. The numbers will be shown on this.
Yeah. If
And-
if any customer is telling you if he want to see video call and
Yeah, we are also providing video calls also, but not on the video call selection. We are providing only video call for the customer satisfaction. We also show our shops and godowns also in the stock also, but we are not providing the video call selection.
video call
And our address is like the 223 at Mall Lakshmi Market in Geekada Road, Ahmedabad, behind the Raj Lakshmi Market. You can also see on the description, and our dates and then our phone numbers is also available and our address is also available there.
Okay. Thank you, sir.